Welcome back, guys. And if in the home screen, if you want to hide any app, then what you need to do, I am going to cover in this video. And if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So suppose you want that Instagram should not appear in this home screen, then what you need to do, just go to the settings and then go to the home screen, and here one thing is there, hide apps. Just tap it here and here go to the Instagram. Okay, search it where 1 minute, GH and then I, so Instagram, select it. Okay, now just done. Go back, and in home screen you will not find. Suppose you do not want to see this WhatsApp, then what you need to, just go there, setting, then go to home screen, hide apps, then you need to search WhatsApp. WhatsApp will come into W, so go down, W, select it. Now done. Go back. Now WhatsApp is not here. So this is how you can hide apps from home screen. If you want to show that apps again on home screen, just deselect from there. Go there, go to the home screen, go to the hide apps, and from here just deselect it. Go to the I, deselect it, and go to the W, WhatsApp, deselect it. Now that app will be come there. Okay, we have to see. So here both come in at the last, not there. There we have to drag it manually from home screen. Just drag it here, and from here you can go there. It come. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you very much.